Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I have a Partu air purifier. Alright, let's talk about this for just a couple minutes here. I've had this for about 6 months now. So yeah, I got this actually before I started setting up this room. I got it for my second bedroom up in my apartment. So yeah, it's been running up there probably 2-3 times a week. I really don't go in the second bedroom. It's just me in the apartment, so it's just kind of storage. So I've had this on for a while and just had to unplug it, cleaning up the room. And yeah, so this thing, it's not the best, but it's something. It does move the air around, it does filter it, whatnot. So you could tell it's not that big. It might be like 15 inches tall. That's probably about 8 inches in diameter. And up on top you got the vents. You got the vent in the front here. You can see all the, there we go. You can see all the holes. And on the back you can see through there the filter. So on the bottom here, let's just talk about the filter. You got this thing. You turn it just a little bit, and out the bottom comes the filter. You can literally replace the filter. It just comes off and you can replace the filter. It's really simple. You could actually blow out the air. It's really simple to just change 1, 2, 3. And you can see in there, it's just not too much. And you can see this thing is not dirty at all. I mean, it's not, like I said, it's not a very powerful. There we go. It's a little tricky to lock on the bottom, but like I said, it's not the most powerful. It's not the most expensive. This thing, it was probably 30 bucks, I believe, on Amazon. And you could see on the back there, we got the specs. You could see that. So it's a model BS-03 air purifier. It plugs into 110. I have the plug here, so let's just turn that on real quick. Plug it in. Now you got the little red light there on the power. So on the front here, you got a power button. You got a light button. There is a lock. I forget what the lock button is for. I'll have to check that out. There's a reset so that it knows you got a fresh filter in there. There is a speed. There is 3 speeds on this thing. And there is a quiet. The button's here on the front. It's not an actual button. You don't have to press it. You just literally like barely touch it and it goes on. So now I got it on. You should be able to hear that. You can see the light there. It is on setting 2. If I hit the speed button, it goes up to setting 3. You should be able to hear that. So out the top, it sucks the air in through the front or the back here and blows it out the top. So it's pulling it through this filter and shoots it right out the top. Light button is literally shuts off that light. So if you want to run this at nighttime and you don't want those blue lights shining in your room, just shut the light off and you won't have any more light. Put it on low where it's real quiet. There's no noise. Partu air purifier is all I wanted to show you today. Hit the like video down below. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell for every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new stuff coming your way. Thanks for watching.